In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select and install a template on Squarespace, bringing your website vision to life with ease and efficiency. Whether you're building a stunning portfolio, a sleek online store, or a professional blog, choosing the right template is key to ensuring your site not only looks fantastic but also functions seamlessly. Let's dive into this process step by step. To begin, open your Squarespace account and navigate to the Templates section. This is where your website journey truly kicks off, as these templates form the backbone of your site's design and user experience. Squarespace offers a wide range of professionally designed templates to cater to various needs and niches, ensuring that whatever your purpose, there's likely a design perfectly suited to it. As you browse through the options, take your time to consider how each template aligns with your website's goals. Do you need a minimalist design to showcase artwork or a more structured layout for a business portfolio? Pay attention to the key features and design elements of each template, as these will play a significant role in how you convey your content to your visitors. Moving forward, look for the preview button associated with each template. With just a click, you'll be able to see the template in action, giving you a first-hand look at its functionality and aesthetic appeal. This preview is a powerful tool that allows you to visualize how your content might appear on the site, helping you to make an informed decision. If a particular template catches your eye, click on it to view more details. Delving deeper into its specifications can give you a better understanding of the design's flexibility and customization options. Remember, while all templates are customizable to an extent, starting with a base that closely matches your vision will make the process much smoother. Once you've explored your options and found a template that feels right for your project, it's time for the exciting part, choosing your template. Select the one that best meets your needs and vision. Making this choice is a crucial step because it sets the tone for the entire website build, ensuring everything you create aligns with your brand identity and user experience objectives. Finally, you'll want to install your chosen template. It's a simple process within Squarespace. Just follow the prompts, and soon enough, the template will be applied to your site. You're now ready to begin personalizing it with your logos, colors, and content to truly make it your own. And there you have it. Installing a template on Squarespace can be a straightforward process when you know what to expect. By carefully considering your options and visualizing your content through previews, you can select a template that not only looks great, but serves the function you need. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you the best of luck with your new website.